What's up everybody, it's me Sergio. Welcome to Mobility Direct. In today's video, we're gonna take the Pride Mobility PX4, a 500-pound weight capacity off-road mobility scooter, up a ginormous hill. Specifically, the hill right behind me. We're in Florida. We don't have a bunch of hills to choose from, but this one is pretty steep. Before I get started though, like always, I do need to tell you a few quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, it has a ton of our latest products, discount codes, and a bunch of information about our company. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, and they'll process the request for you by phone. Now for this video, we're just gonna test it on this super steep incline. If you wanna see a full in-depth review video, we have it. We have a ton of videos on this product, comparison videos comparing this product against the other top selling heavy-duty mobility scooters. Check them out. I'll put the links in the description and right at the top right-hand corner of the screen in case you wanna see those videos. I will also put full specifications at the end of the video, so if you want to see the full specs, stay tuned to the end. Not only that, at the end of the video, if you pay attention, there's going to be a hidden message on the screen with an exclusive discount code only available on this video. So if you want to save big, stay tuned to the end and pay attention for that hidden message. Let's go ahead and get started, folks. All right, Pops is dialing in the speed setting that he's most comfortable with using the speed control knob. This is a unique scooter because it has like a steering wheel setup, but it also has a single-handed use throttle. So you can go forward or backwards with one hand, depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed. It's totally up to you. It also has a super loud horn, which is an actual horn. And when you turn the wheel, the mirrors stay put because of where they're located. Whereas on other scooters, the mirrors are located up high. So when you turn, the mirrors don't really do anything for you. So I like that. Anyway, this is my Pops here, George. Say hi to everybody that's watching. It's only like 100,000 subscribers, no big deal. All right, so let's go ahead and find the steepest part. I think this is gonna be the steepest part of the hill right there. So let's take that side of the hill. I'm gonna come over here. Ready, Pops? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hit it. All right, so he's got it, remember. All right, he's got it in a slower setting because it's just more comfortable for him. But check this out, this hill is pretty darn steep. And man, I'm getting a workout just climbing up this thing, following him. So look at that. Pops, come towards me. You made it to the top of this mountain. Now stand right there for me. All right, I'm gonna go down the hill now, backwards, and try not to hurt myself. Let me show you how big that hill is. I don't know what kind of hills you may have where you're living and where you're watching from, but here in Florida, that's a big hill. So let us know what you think. And one last thing, before we get any further in this video, I just wanna say thank you for watching and supporting our content on our YouTube channel. It means everything to us. Seriously, guys, and the best way to show support and appreciation is to like, subscribe, and comment. By subscribing and commenting, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway program. We give away mobility scooters all the time for free to random people that subscribe and comment on any video. Not only that, folks, by shopping at Mobility Direct, you're contributing towards our monthly giveaway program. We give back to the community. Part of every sale goes towards funding our donation program, where we select random people that are in need of mobility devices who can't afford them. Okay, some of these people are homeless, or they're just struggling with a cane or a walker, or they just stuck at home, they can't move around. We gift them a mobility scooter, power wheelchair, like the last few winners on the screen that you're seeing now. Together, with your purchase, we can make someone's life significantly better. Together, we can make a difference, guys. So keep that in mind. You're not only gonna get the best pricing, 5-star rated customer support, you're also gonna help somebody else who truly needs a mobility aid get one. With that being said, let's go ahead and continue on. So this is pretty much it, guys. I mean, we have a lot of other content on the PX4, also the Wrangler, and many other heavy-duty mobility scooters. This is one of my favorite ones. It's just an awesome looking scooter, and it has the brightest headlights out of any mobility scooter that we carry. DOT approved headlight on there that'll light up the path in front of you like the Alamo. All right, now upon request, Pops is saying he wants to go full speed and see what happens. So I told him I can't keep up with you on foot. We only have one scooter today. I don't have my drone with me. This is an impromptu shot. All right, Pops said he wants to go one more time for fun. I think he likes being on camera. Come on, Pops, let's go. He's gonna go up this little mini hill first, which has a lot of sand on it. Let's see how it does. We know from previous video shoots that it can handle sand pretty well, but it's not like meant for beaches, for sure. So here he goes. Oh man, it is climbing the mountaintops. Look at that. Nice. How'd it feel?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Handled it? Nice. All right, folks, well, that's gonna conclude the test. I would say the PX4 can definitely handle some inclines. What do you say? Let us know in the comments section below, folks. Well, we just gave new meanings to he'll be coming around the mountains when he comes. That PX4 is powerful. Remember, stay tuned to the end if you want to see full specifications and get access to that discount code. Let's see who could spot the hidden message. Again, everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks so much for watching this video. Bye, everybody.